Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another one of my videos. Today, we have something a little different for you guys. This is my vlog of me attending DreamHack Atlanta 2025. Now, if you're not familiar with DreamHack, they state DreamHack is where the gaming world comes to life. More than a festival, it's a celebration of play, competition, and community, all under one roof. Whether you're here to meet your favorite creators, compete on stage, watch the greatest tournaments, explore new games, or adventure into our immersive expo, DreamHack is the place to connect, share, and create unforgettable moments. From esports tournaments and cosplay championships to music, gaming, and hands-on experiences, every corner is alive with energy and excitement. So, with that being said, guys, this is just a small video to let you guys see what really goes on at one of these gaming conventions. So, if you like what you see, please click that like, hit that subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when I go live. And other than that, peace and let's stay dangerous. Guys, in this section of the video, I want to give this booth in particular a huge shout out, guys. This is byolightsabers.com. I'm going to drop their link in the description down below. So if you're a fan of Star Wars or lightsabers in general, this is the place you want to go and check out. They have your basic lightsabers all the way from $50 all the way up to whatever your heart desires. Whatever you can dream of and come up with, I'm sure they can make it for you. They also have lightsabers from the movies and the TV shows. So if you're looking for Obi-Wan, Darth Vader, the Dark Saber, Count Dooku, Ahsoka Tano, they have them. And when I tell you they're quality, guys, they are quality. I'm talking aircraft grade aluminum. And the gentleman and lady that were working the booth were absolutely super knowledgeable about every product that was on that table. So guys, do me a favor, go check them out. Click the link in my description and grab yourself one of these badass lightsabers. Guys, if you watched to the end of this video, thank you very much. Make sure you click that like, hit that subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when I post content. And the last slide on this video is a slide of me and my brother D the 5. We have made it a tradition. He comes down from Detroit with his wife, Miss Pinky 313, and we always get a photo. And we'll catch y'all next time. Peace, and let's stay dangerous.